Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Today's video is about the Cognizant Gen Z interview experience. In this video, I will be discussing about my friend's interview experience which happened today, that is 27th November. And the platform on which the interview was taken was AMCAT platform. The profile was Gen Z profile. The department to which my friend belong is IT department. The duration of interview is 30 minutes. And the panelists consisted of only one member, that was the technical person. So the interview was pure technical. There were no HR questions were asked. So now let's look at the technical questions which were asked from my friend. So first question was, tell me about yourself. This is the most common question which is asked in almost every interview, and this question defines that how your interview will go ahead. So please be thorough with the tell me about yourself question. The next question was that the interviewer gave my friend two aptitude questions to solve. So they were the basic questions. First question was on age, and the second question was based on the profit and loss question. So they were all the basic questions. So my friend solved it, and he gave him the answer. The next question he asked was which language he prefers, C++ or Java. So my friend told that he prefers Java. So therefore he asked questions from Java only. So what is MVC and why it is used? So my friend told the answer. The next question was what is the full form of BCNF and define it. So BCNF is one of the normal forms, and my friend defined it also pretty well. So you should be aware of all the normal forms which are present in our DBMS. That is the first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form, and also the BCNF, that is the highest form of normal form. So you should be aware of these four normal forms. They are very important in an interview. The next question was what are the principle of stack. So the stack is based on the principle of LIFO, that is last in first out. So my friend explained the entire LIFO algorithm to interviewer. So next question was next question which was asked was what happens in a FIFO algorithm, and in real life where FIFO algorithms is implemented. So in real life you can give an example of a queue, that is a movie ticket queue, that is the person who comes first gets the ticket first. So this was the FIFO example. So the next question was explain the garbage collection in Java. So my friend told that so initially my friend told that he is proficient in Java. So therefore this question came, that is the question which is completely based on the Java language only. So he explained the garbage collection in Java. The next question is what is semaphores. So those of you who don't know what are semaphores, it is a topic in OS, but don't be afraid that OS is also getting asked. It totally depends on the interviewer. You should know the you should know the basics of every subject, but don't get afraid, it is not that common to ask OS or computer networks in an interview. So what is semaphore is also a basic question in OS only, it's just the definition of it. So the next question was explain the different types of DBMS. So my friend declined that he does not know different types of DBMS. So he just said he does not know. So guys, if you don't know any particular answer, you can just say no, that you don't know, because if you will answer the question you are not confident in, then it will show a bad impression on the interviewer. So please decline those questions which you don't know. So the last question which was asked which was asked by my friend was explain the project he is working on. So my friend explained the entire project, and in project I have told you earlier also, in earlier videos also, that you should know that the what are the problem faced during the projects, what was the motivation that you choose that particular project, and what are the future implementations which can be in which your project can be used. So you should be aware of these 3 to 4 topics which can be asked from your projects, and plus the technology that you are using in the project, you should be aware of that technology also. So this is the entire interview experience of my friend. So the interview total lasted for 30 minutes, but the technical round lasted only for 25 minutes. The 5 minutes was generally for the talking purpose only, no such big deal. So the technical round lasted for 25 minutes. So this was the entire interview experience of my friend. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.